Good morning, Yinters. Another hiking trip, so another vlog. It is 3:30 a.m. and we are at Pampanga to conquer another major hike. This time, the Kuya tour guide gave us brief instructions on what to do and what not to do while hiking.
Ayun. So, ang natin, starting point natin dito, no? Local stray, 1 oras is patag pa yan. Umabot yun ng 3 to 4 hours, no? Depend. Inspect nyo ng, yung assault is hanggang dun na sa south, no? Si south, mabato siya, then madaan kasi Taglagas na ngayon. Ingat kayo.
They say the early bird gets the worm, but in the mountains, the early hiker gets the magic. It's 4 a.m. Most people are hitting the snooze button, but here we are trading a warm bed for a cold trail and a headlamp. Honestly, I'm not even a morning person. My brain is still half asleep, and my legs are definitely questioning my life choices right now. But there's a reason we do this. We call it the Galan spirit. It's that invisible push to see what's on the other side of the dark. When you're hiking at this hour, the world feels small, just you, your breath, and the 3 feet of trail glowing in front of you. We're not all morning people, but for a view like this, give us the motivation to finish the hike on time. No breakfast or coffee, no issues this time. All you need to survive is water and trail foods.
Kaya pa.
Guys, we are in dire need of energy because our lungs are blowing up. It's 5:28 a.m. We've been pushing for nearly an hour and a half, and to be brutally honest, the exhaustion is settling into our bones. Every step feels heavier than the last. Pinnacle Peak doesn't do easy. It's a straight-up my assault. Your lungs want to quit, but your eyes won't let you. When the sun hits those ridges, it's like a shot of adrenaline. It's the only reason we're still on track to finish this on time. Unlimited assault, no flats, no breaks, just a relentless, vertical climb that makes you earn every single breath. Your quads are screaming. Hiking in your late 30s hits a little differently. This is my 25th mountain, and you'd think it would get easier, but the truth, no matter how many summits you have under your belt, the exhaustion is always real.
Uy.
Hi guys!
Kaya
Welcome to the Hintaw Vlog.
Kaya pa sis.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Mount Arayat and yes,
Yes.
we're on mid-40s but we're still kicking, hiking at a different mountain here in the Philippines.
Kaya pa. Sige lang po. Tuloy mo lang ate.
And yeah, hi! At our age, kaya pa naman,
Dali.
but to enjoy it, just chill and climb. Peace and love.
Halika na. Ganda dito. Namamatay ka na. Hawakan mo. Habulin. Halika na. Pagal mo naman. Bagal naman ang videographer ko.
Babash ka dito, putang.
Stop. Ano ba yan? Ano? Ano? Dali. Ano ba yan? Dali. Dali. Huwag kang magpabigat. Dali. Go. Thank you, Earth. Thank you, Mother Nature. Yan, kaya mo ba yan? Let's go. Dalawa.
Para kami maghihintay sa kanila. 5 minutes. 5 minutes?
Sige lang po. Video to. Hindi po.
Vlog pa kami. Vlog pa.
Oo, yung naiiya, mas mabuting mas nauna siya kasi may tagayin ko rito.
Bura na yung ano.
Sino ba lalaki rito? Yung nanay. Kuya, una na yung dalawang lalaki. Yung nagtitink na. Tapos,
Strong.
ano, pag-angat mo din.
Ayoko na talaga umakyat ng bundok. Ang sakit-sakit na ng tuhod ko.
Sige.
Hindi ko na talaga kaya.
Iyakbang mo dyan.
Pero syempre, joke lang yun. Ano ba yung maganda akyatin sa susunod? Parang may nakita akong bagong pose eh.
Ano na kuya?
Big one!
Ano yung nandun?
North yun.
Bebs. Bebs.
Sunscreen must be retouched.
Reality check.
Tamad. Lalo natagal na yung pawis naman. Pababa na lang sila.
From Pinnacle to South to North Peak.
Oh, suggest meron. Nasa kami mabagal. Oh.
Basta kami sa dulo kami.
May ano?
This is the route to the well-known Monkey Trail, which is shown in certain videos.
Bebs. Before ng lahat. Yo! Oh. Go!
Yan dapat.
Kasi may pa yun.
From Asal to Ascending, if you weren't there, you wouldn't understand how tight we were gripping those ropes. It's not a joke, just pure grit.
Yo! Let's go.
Ma'am. Sabi ka may maiwa ka. May...
Amista mo lang dito, hindi sa
Jeso, umawak ka! Hindi tayo nagpaalam!
Galing mo ba?
Jeso, kakapit ka pala eh.
Professional. Professional hikers. Tumitakbo pa oh.
Jeso, umawak ka! Hindi tayo nagpaalam! Jeso, kakapit ka pala eh.
Ako, bago na trabaho ko. Kunyari nahirapan kami. Patalikod ka. Huwag ka maging history dyan. Yan mo. Mapit ka, Bi. Success. Oh.
Talikod. Talikod. Tapos yung kanan paa. Kanan paa baba. Kanan. Kanan paa. Yan. Tapos na.
Basta kumapit ka lang, tandaan mo kumapit ka.
Oh, kami ko naman kumusan lang no.
Yan ang cellphone mo, kuya. Akin na yung cellphone mo, kuya.
Sandali lang, sandali. Tapos natin to.
Eh, kapit ka lang, kapit sa lubid, tas isang paa mo, ibaba mo. Lubid ka kumapit. Sige, abanti mo pa yung ano mo, paa mo, sa bato. Hindi dyan, hindi dyan. Yung paa mo lahat sa bato, itong tas ibaba mo yung isa. Huwag kang dumipindi sa tali, ha. Yan, alalay mo na yung tali. Basta kumapit ka sa tali. Sisiw.
Hindi tayo naging kwento.
Loko, sisiw. Pro. Ano mo sa'yo?
To continue, South Peak to North Peak.